crafty friends, it's Caroline and I am back with a quick little project share of this sweet little mini and I am so happy with the way this turned out. Look at this cute spine and on the back stars and stripes with the little firecracker. Oh my goodness, I just love how it looks. I used the leftover papers that I had from the WRMK collection that I had used on that 6x6 folio tutorial, and there were a lot of these 4x4 cut aparts in that collection, and I just thought this was just super cute. It is 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches with a 1-inch spine, and then you open it up inside, and I've created a little tuck spot pocket area over here with a 3.5 by 3.5 simple card, just something to be able to do some journaling on, put some photos on. This one opens up here and here, and then there's another little 3.5 inch square card to put some journaling in or to put some photos in, something like that. And I'm just tucking that into the same top pocket that the tag is sitting in, and I just think it looks really, really cute, like that magnet closure here on this rosette piece that I cut out from one of the pattern papers. And then this piece here, we've just got some tags, a photo mat sitting into a simple little tuck pocket here. And then I've got this is the horizontal tuck pocket. We've got a little vertical pocket here with another little tag. On the tops here, I've placed a couple of the cut aparts on one side, left the other side, blank, thinking that that can be filled in with writing or photos, either way. Got another one in here. And then I just think it's super cute. These fold out like that. Lots of room for writing and journaling and photos. I did a couple little tucks here for some photo mats. And then another little tag up here that slips into the pocket of the page. This is just very simple, easy, super fun. I love the way it turned out. And yeah, this was a really, really fun little project to put together. I wanted to show you, but I also want to show you what I'm working on. Okay, so let me show you how I came up with the size on this 4.5 by 4.5 inch album and how I'm planning on getting 4 album covers out of only 2 sheets of 12 by 12 chipboard. So for this one, like I said, it was 4.5 by 4.5. So when I cut out that square, then I was able to get a 1-inch spine by 4.5 out of one of the other pieces here. Then this one is leaving me with a 4.5 by 6.5 inch album, again with a 1-inch spine. This was identical to the other one. It was just on the other piece of chipboard that I cut. And then I'm able to get a 6.5 by 6.5 inch album with a 1-inch spine on that one also. And a 5.5 by 7.5 inch album, also with a 1-inch spine. And after cutting up the 2 pieces of medium weight chipboard, I am able to get 4 mini album bases cut out of those 2 pieces of medium weight chipboard. And the only waste I have is this little bitty tiny 1-inch square. How cool is that? So I thought this was a really fun way to be, economical with my chipboard. And I've got enough to make a 4.5 by 6.5 inch album, a 6.5 by 6.5 inch album, and a 5.5 by 7.5 inch album. Now, admittedly, all of these are only with a 1-inch spine, which is great. And I'm happy to do those, especially for some of these, 4th of July type holidays where it's just one day out of the year. I don't necessarily need a lot of pages for them. But if I did want to increase the spine size on any of these, it would be super easy to simply cut a 2 or 2.5 inch spine out of any number of the scraps that I have laying around. And if you are making mini albums, you understand that there are scraps of chipboard seemingly everywhere sometimes. I don't know, I'm being inundated. But this is what I'm so excited about with this. I'm able to use up those scraps and I haven't created any more waste. I cut out 4 different album bases and the only waste I have is this single 1-inch square, and that makes me so happy because using up all of my supplies without having a whole lot of scraps to carry over is just something that, I don't know, it just makes my heart feel good. So I wanted to share that with you really quick. I wanted to also share with you this sweet little album that I made. I thought it was super, super, super cute. And I hope you guys are all having a really fantastic Sunday afternoon. I hope you are being kind to yourselves, and I hope you're finding some joy in your journey. Thanks so much, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.